Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Danang Adi Wibowo. I'm from Cilacap. I'm a cadet from the Polytechnic of Road Transportation Safety study program in Automotive Engineering Technology. In this video, I will discuss about safety features. Look at the picture beside me. Did you know that a lot of accident happens because the vehicle gets off the track and hits the road divider? Therefore, in the vehicle there are safety features, namely lane departure warning system. Lane departure warning system, which is made to warn the drivers when the vehicle starts to move out of its lane. I will divide my discussion into three parts. First, regarding the definition of the lane departure warning system. Second, regarding the advantages and disadvantages. Third, regarding the conclusion that contain my opinion regarding the lane departure warning system. Let's see the explanation.
Lane departure warning systems track a vehicle's position within a lane, usually with a camera mounted on or near the rearview mirror. If the system determines a vehicle has or will inadvertently stray out of the lane, it alerts the driver. Most systems consider the movement unintentional if the driver doesn't use the turn signal. Alerts vary and may include a sound, a vibrating seat or steering wheel, and a visual warning. Lane departure prevention systems help direct a vehicle back into the lane through light steering or braking.
In road transport terminology, a lane departure warning system is a mechanism designed to warn the driver when the vehicle begins to move out of its lane on freeways and arterial roads. These systems are designed to minimize accidents by addressing the main cause of collision, driver error, distraction, and drowsiness. Lane departure warning system is a sensor that is generally placed in the rearview mirror, both side and center, and is shaped like a radar. There is usually a light in the rearview mirror that lights up if the vehicle is or about to maneuver into another lane that is deemed unsafe or may be dangerous. About the advantages and disadvantages, of course, the lane departure warning system greatly benefits the driver and can avoid potential collision or accident. This system also reduces the risk of accident from human error, such as accidentally changing lanes, drowsiness, distraction like chatting, playing with mobile phones, and others. Despite the many advantages of this system has its drawbacks as well. This system may not work properly completely depending on several factors such as weather and road condition. If the weather is bad such as heavy rain, snow, and fog, because it is possible to cover the line and can make the optical sensor cannot work optimally. And can cause error. Error can also occur if road conditions are not good, such as uneven roads, and can also be caused by damaged and unclear lanes. In my opinion, with the lane departure warning system in the vehicle, it is a very important tool to be applied to the vehicle because the lane departure warning system can help the driver to avoid accident and collision before they occur. This system is very effective and useful when used in situations where the road is right and the driver tends not to pay close attention to the road. But with this safety system, drivers are expected to continue to drive carefully and not completely depend on or leave everything to technology. That's my explanation regarding the safety features, namely the lane departure warning system, which is included in the active features. Hopefully, this video is useful and thank you. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.